Hello everybody, today I'm going to do explosion. So citric acid, sodium hydrocarbonated into, and then we got some water, and the fruit coloring is red, and we got polar and the volcano. Here I
Slowly. Very slowly. Ooh. Wow. That's a volcano.
Wow.